Throughout history, cultures around the world have recognized the power of rituals to connect with the spiritual realm. These rituals, passed down through generations, offer a way to seek guidance, protection, and healing. One such practice, steeped in ancient wisdom, involves the placement of 3 limes filled with salt under the bed. This simple yet profound ritual is believed to promote spiritual cleansing, enhance sleep quality, and restore balance to one's energy field. The origins of this ritual can be traced back to various ancient traditions, where limes and salt were revered for their purifying properties. In many cultures, limes were seen as symbols of vitality and freshness, capable of warding off negativity. Salt, with its ability to preserve and purify, was believed to absorb negative energies and protect against spiritual impurities. By combining the potent energies of limes and salt, this ancient ritual offers a powerful method for cleansing one's personal space and promoting a sense of peace and well-being. While the exact origins of this practice may remain shrouded in the mists of time, its enduring presence in different cultures speaks to its profound efficacy and timeless wisdom. In our modern world, where stress and anxiety often disrupt our sleep and drain our energy, this ancient ritual offers a simple yet effective way to restore balance and harmony to our lives. It serves as a reminder that we are not separate from the natural world but rather deeply connected to its rhythms and energies. Limes, with their bright green color and tangy aroma, are a symbol of life and vitality. In many cultures, they are seen as powerful cleansers, capable of purifying spaces and dispelling negative energies. Beyond their physical properties, limes possess a unique energetic vibration that can uplift and revitalize our spirits. The sour taste of limes is associated with their acidic nature, which is believed to neutralize negative energies. Just as a squeeze of lime can brighten up a dish, its energetic properties can brighten our aura, removing stagnant or negative energies that may be clinging to us. In traditional medicine systems, limes have been used for their healing properties. They are rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system and protects against cellular damage. This cleansing and revitalizing energy makes limes an ideal component of spiritual cleansing rituals. The refreshing scent of limes is also believed to have therapeutic benefits. Aromatherapy recognizes the power of citrus scents like lime to uplift mood, reduce stress, and promote a sense of calm. This connection between scent and energy further emphasizes the holistic nature of this ancient practice. Salt, a humble mineral found in abundance on Earth, has been revered for centuries for its purifying and protective properties. Its use in spiritual and religious ceremonies dates back to ancient times, highlighting its significance in cleansing and warding off negativity. Across cultures, salt has been used to purify homes, temples, and sacred spaces. Its ability to absorb negative energies is deeply rooted in ancient wisdom. Salt is believed to neutralize negativity, creating a barrier of protection against unwanted spiritual influences. In many traditions, salt is associated with purity and grounding. It is believed to have a stabilizing effect on the energy field, helping to ground and center individuals. This grounding effect can be particularly beneficial during times of stress or emotional turmoil. The use of salt in the lime ritual amplifies the cleansing properties of the limes, creating a powerful synergy for spiritual detoxification. Together they act as a magnet for negative energies, drawing them away from your personal space and promoting a sense of peace and tranquility. The use of 3 limes in this ritual is not arbitrary. The number 3 holds deep spiritual significance in many cultures and spiritual traditions. It represents wholeness, completeness, and the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit. In numerology, the number 3 is associated with creativity, expansion, and growth. It is a number of manifestation and abundance. By using 3 limes, we are amplifying the intention of the ritual, creating a powerful, energetic vortex for transformation. The triangular formation of the limes further enhances their energetic properties. The triangle is a symbol of strength, stability, and spiritual awareness. It represents the upward flow of energy, connecting the physical realm with the spiritual realm. Placing the 3 limes in a triangular formation under the bed creates a sacred geometric pattern that promotes balance and harmony within the energy field. This arrangement optimizes the flow of energy, ensuring that the cleansing properties of the limes and salt permeate the entire space. Nighttime renewal and energetic cleansing. Sleep, a time when our conscious mind rests and our subconscious takes over, is an opportune period for spiritual cleansing and energetic renewal. During sleep, our energy field is more receptive to subtle energies and spiritual downloads. The placement of the limes and salt under the bed creates a protective and cleansing energy field while you sleep. As you rest, the limes and salt work together to absorb any negative energies that may have accumulated in your aura throughout the day. This nighttime ritual allows you to wake up feeling refreshed, revitalized, and energetically cleansed. The negative energies that may have been disrupting your sleep or causing emotional imbalances are neutralized, promoting a sense of peace and well-being. As you continue this practice over time, you may notice a significant improvement in the quality of your sleep, a decrease in stress and anxiety, and an overall enhancement of your spiritual well-being. Embracing the ritual, a step-by-step guide. To perform this ancient ritual for spiritual cleansing and energetic protection, follow these simple steps. First, gather your materials. You will need 3 fresh green limes, coarse sea salt, and a small knife. Next, prepare the limes. Cut a small incision in the top of each lime just large enough to fill with salt. Be careful not to cut the limes all the way through. Then, fill the limes with salt. Fill each lime with coarse sea salt, ensuring that the salt is tightly packed. Now arrange the limes. Place the 3 salt-filled limes under your bed, arranged in a triangular formation. Leave the limes undisturbed. Allow the limes to remain under your bed for 7 consecutive nights. After 7 days, carefully remove the limes from under your bed. It is important to discard them properly as they have absorbed negative energies. You can either bury them in the earth or dispose of them in a natural body of water. Finally, repeat the ritual. Repeat this ritual as often as you feel necessary to maintain a sense of spiritual cleansing and energetic protection. Restful nights and renewed spirit. The ancient ritual of placing 3 limes filled with salt under the bed offers numerous benefits for those seeking spiritual cleansing, energetic protection, and a more restful sleep. As you consistently incorporate this practice into your life, you may experience improved sleep quality. The cleansing properties of the limes and salt help to neutralize negative energies that may be disrupting your sleep, promoting more restful and rejuvenating nights. Enhance spiritual protection. The ritual creates a protective barrier around your sleeping space, shielding you from unwanted spiritual influences and negative energies. Increased energy levels. By removing energetic blockages, the ritual allows your energy to flow more freely, resulting in increased vitality and a renewed sense of purpose. Emotional balance. The grounding and purifying effects of the limes and salt can help to stabilize your emotions, reducing stress, anxiety, and promoting a sense of inner peace. A legacy of spiritual wisdom. The enduring presence of this ancient ritual in various cultures around the world speaks to its profound efficacy and timeless wisdom. It serves as a reminder that we are not separate from the natural world but rather deeply connected to its rhythms and energies. By embracing this simple yet powerful practice, we tap into a legacy of spiritual knowledge passed down through generations. We acknowledge the interconnectedness of our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being, and we invite the cleansing and protective energies of the universe into our lives. As you incorporate this ritual into your spiritual practice, approach it with sincerity and an open heart. Trust in the wisdom of ancient traditions and allow yourself to experience the transformative power of spiritual cleansing and energetic protection. If you found this video insightful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more spiritual wisdom and practices.